Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I have another video here for you guys. I am filming a little bit late. I mean, you guys don't really care. But I just want to tell you that, you know, I'm really kind of getting dedicated to this YouTube thing. I really enjoyed filming for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this as well. If you guys enjoy my videos, don't forget to give them a big thumbs up. And today I'm going to be doing a look. I'm pretty sure you guys already seen the thumbnail. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys a video. So if you guys want to see how I created the look, then just keep on watching.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
Find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Because I was gonna see how this eye would turn out, and it turned out pretty bomb. Like, I'm kind of sad I didn't record this eye, you know, but I'm gonna be doing this eye for you guys, so stay tuned to the rest of the video. So let's get back to the video.
A blast, cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, you go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. there's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Plus, I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels
So this is the end of the look, guys. I created this little green eye cut crease, like lights, like Christmas lights. I really love this look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys want for Christmas. You know, what's poppin', how does my makeup look, tell me something. You know, I always comment back, so don't forget to comment. And if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, my name will be right here. I'll also post pictures of my makeup and stuff, so if you guys want to see what makeup I'm doing or makeups I have done before, I do post on my Instagram. And on my Snapchat, you guys could go follow me on my Snapchat. I'll be right here too. And my Twitter, so you guys could go follow me on my Twitter. And well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.